Hey guys, how you doing? I will be showing you guys again how I sell covered calls for Rockets. As of right now, you guys know that I have 2,770 shares. Every single option that you sell, you need to have a collateral of at least 100 shares to sell one contract. So as of right now, I am able to sell 27 contracts for any strike that I want. The good thing is that when I only sell covered calls that are above my average cost. So if I do get assigned, and somebody actually purchases my calls and the strike price of RKT is actually higher, or is actually on the strike that I sell or higher, that means that I sell $2,700 worth of shares, but I sell it for above my average cost. And as of right now, my average cost is $22.67. If I sell covered calls that are, only, $23, $24, $25, that means that I get the credit from the broker that I sell. I get the credit off of these calls. And if I get assigned, I sell 2,700 shares for above my actual strike. So I make profit on the actual, sell if the shares get executed and purchased. And I also make the initial credit, which I'm going to show you guys right now. So let's go to trade options. I'm going to be trading weeklies. I'm going to be selling, weeklies. Let's say something that has like around a really good price. So more than likely, I'll probably do like a 24.5. I'll do the full 27. I'll be collecting a credit of $297. We're still trading right now at around $22. I don't know exactly if we're going to be hitting, anything. I don't know if we're going to actually be, anything higher than that. I have thought about selling December 31st calls also. And then at this price, I would be getting $730 credit, So, if anything, I can just do December 31st just to kind of see how it plays out. But, and we can we can actually do it at a strike of 25, or I can actually do a little bit later. But, let's do it for next week. You guys can see the actual, I actually bought back all my contracts for $27, which is the lowest. I bought it for like 0.01 cents. Just getting a bunch of notifications right now. You know what? I do want to play it on the safer side. So I think I will be selling, I'll do 25s, and I will be selling 2,700 shares at that strike. So we'll do this, and I'll actually do 0.10. I'll see if any of them I'll do 0.9. To see if anything gets filled. And I will be doing it for $243. And all I do right now is I'll be collecting a credit of $243. And then if I also, if the strike of RKT actually hits $25 by next week, that means that somebody on the other side can actually purchase all of my 2,700 shares for that $25 credit. So, there you go. We initiated it. We get it for next week. We place the order, and then we just kind of wait it out to see if they actually get filled. So there you go.